Hello everybody. We are here at Fort Collins KOA Resort. I am amazed because this is a large KOA, which is there is a boat that you can ride on, a fishing, and you don't need a license. This is huge area, and there is a pillow, jump pillow here, and golf as well. I am amazed. We stay last night and we enjoy so much. And they have a big pavilion here. They can cook breakfast and dinner for you. And that is our tent. And my hubby is walking there and busy. We have a huge table and a big fire ring. Look at that. And many chairs. Wow, I am amazed this place. And there is a barbecue grill here that if you want to cook pork, beef, barbecue, you can cook it. That is the lake. Some people do fishing now. It's a nice weather since yesterday here. So it's not cold, no wind, no snow. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Please like, share, and comment my video. Thank you for support. God bless all. I love you all. Bye-bye.